Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm reviewing the Star Wars Boba Fett prototype. I believe this is a Walgreens or exclusive in America or something. Correct me in the comment section below, but here you go, there's the front of the box. Really cool. There's the side. It says Pop, that's just like the random line, number 8. Boba Fett prototype, and that's his box art. The back, all the other figures in the wave. We've got Yoda Spirit, he would be nice to have. We got Boba Fett prototype, Snowtrooper, and Imperial Guard. It says Pop, number 8, Star Wars, Boba Fett prototype. There's him, the side of him. It says collect them all, Funko, Disney, and StarWars.com. So yeah, let's move on to the side. Has Boba Fett prototype down the side there. Says Pop number 8, him peeking up there. Top of the box, nothing much, just says Pop and has his head poking up. And nothing much on the bottom. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this guy up. Boba Fett prototype out of the packaging. Really awesome. It comes with a removable stand, like all the Star Wars pops, because of licensing or something. And peg holes in the bottom of the feet, so you can remove him and put him back on. He is indeed a bobblehead. It's a bit weird how they did crisp white on the top and off-white on the body of Boba Fett. It's a bit odd, but there we go. That's my only gripe, really. He is holding a gun. Look at that there, focus. See if it wants to focus. There we go. Really cool gun. Not very detailed, but still pretty cool. It's only a prototype. So yeah, that's basically everything I have to say for this pop. It's really cool. Lots of detail. He's also got this thing up the top here. I can't remember what they call them. But yeah, let's do side-by-side comparison with the artwork. Not much of a difference, it's just that there's off-white on the pop and not on there. So yeah, that's all the differences, I guess. There we go. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.